In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock websites on Google on your iPhone. So there's basically two things we need to do. First, go and open up the settings on your iPhone, and then we're going to scroll down to screen time and click on this. Now scroll down to content and privacy restrictions and click on this. You then need to click on App Store, Media, Web and Games. Now scroll down to web content and click on this and make sure you have unrestricted selected. Now alternatively, you can just go and disable content and privacy restrictions, and that's also another way to unblock websites. Now the second thing you'll need to do is go and open up an internet browser. I'll just be using Safari for this demonstration. You can then scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on settings. Now click on search settings and you'll see the option here for SafeSearch. Click on this and make sure this feature is turned off and disabled, and that's going to stop restricting and blocking websites on Google. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.